Hello guys, I'm back. This is Cosmas Airdrop. I got you on a new update. So you're going to earn this 10 USDT instantly into your exchange when you are done with this. Now this is a BloFin update. It's a cryptocurrency exchange. I'll be dropping the link right there on the description of this video. So make sure that you use the link so that you can be able to download this app. Now this app is giving out 100 USDT to every new participant. Let me just show you what they're doing right here. So this is the announcement. So if you are a new user right here, you're going to use the link which is on my description. But if you have been in this BloFin, just go right there on this exchange and go to announcement, click on announcement, go to the latest promotion right here and head straight to win big together. So let me explain how this works, because I just shared my referral link to my mom and also to my dad, and they also got 55 USD each into their BloFin account, and I was able to receive 10 USD right here. And this is how it works. The link will be on the Telegram also, and also on Twitter. Make sure that you join us on Telegram for daily updates. But before I continue, I would like you to go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on all. It is free to subscribe. Click on all in the notification bell so you can stay alerted whenever I post a new video. Liking my videos are free, so go ahead and like my video. Drop some good comments. It helps encourage me to make more. It helps me make more videos for you. So let's go. So okay, once you're here, it says that dear BloFin user, we are excited to introduce the invest and earn. So let me just put it simple. Once you copy your referral link, you give it to a person, you're going to be earning 5 USDT, and that person is also going to be earning 5 USDT. So if you can able to get about 20 possible referral, you're earning 100 USD instantly just in your wallet. And this campaign is ending soon. So it started on 4th of May 2016, 10 UTC, and it's going to be ending on May 18, 2026. So make sure that you start out. So how to participate: users must share their referral link during the campaign period. A referral will be considered valid once the newly registered invitee completes the request, net deposit, and future trading tasks within the campaign period. So once you are a trader, you can refer your co-trader to just sign in up here, maybe deposit 1 USD or any USD that you want to start with, maybe 110 USD, whatever. Once your referee is active on this BloFin, maybe he's active on the trades, like he has a simple deposit, you're going to be earning 5 USD. Now we should know that before you be earning, you should be a trader. That is the important part. You must be a trader before they will give you this 5 USD. You should be trading with the app at least 1 or 2 times. You will have some token right there before you will receive this too. So I was able to receive mine because I'm already trading with this BloFin exchange. So make sure that you go ahead and just register in the BloFin and try it out. So this is how I earned my 10 USDT, and I'm sure it's gonna be working for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe into the YouTube channel. Click on all in the notification bell to stay alerted whenever I post a new video. So see you guys in the next video.